Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Win32Bridge.server.exe incorrect function error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, this is caused due to the presence of Cortana on the system. It shouldn't be there now, but right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, search if you have Cortana here. Usually you won't because it has been removed with simultaneous updates, but if you find it, then just uninstall it. I'm showing it with another application. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.